Hi guys, Kevin from Technics here. Stylus and stylus wear. How often should you replace your stylus? So quite often when you buy a stylus, the manufacturer will give you a rough amount of hours that one will play for. It's kind of a bit of a ballpark because it depends on the quality of vinyl that you're listening to, how much tracking force you've got. So it's quite difficult to narrow that down, but you will see a drop in performance. You may also see that it skips more because it's no longer in that groove as deep. So if you do decide that you're going to change your stylus, it's a really good opportunity to look at some upgrades because the stylus is only part of the cartridge. And in most instances, you can actually step up 1 or 2 layers without changing the entire cartridge. So you may be able to go, actually, I've got to buy a new stylus, but I could buy the next one up at a lot less money, and suddenly, not only are you getting the performance back that you had before, but you're getting even more because you're leveling up exactly what's fitted to your turntable. So if you do need to change the stylus, always ask your dealer what options are available to fit to your cartridge. And if they've got some there that you can listen to, because what you may find is actually you're so much happier with your new stylus because you've gone from, on a 1500C, say, an Autophon red to an Autophon blue. Simple upgrade, and it was just that was already needed anyway. Enjoy your music. Thank you.